YBC helps me get ready for the future by teaching how to think creatively and solve problems and adapt to new technology. நான் சிவகணேஷ், நான் 5th படிக்கிறேன். நான் ஹான்ஸ்ரோவர் பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூலில் இருக்கேன். லைட் எனர்ஜியை பற்றி எப்படி பண்ணுறது, எப்படி சோலார் எனர்ஜி எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது அதெல்லாம் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தாங்க. எனக்கு எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுது, அவங்க சொல்லிக் கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுது. அவங்க கொடுத்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸில் நான் கான்செப்டை நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன். மெக்கானிக்கல் ஃபேன், எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் கார் அந்த மாதிரி நிறையா சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தாங்க. புது புது டெக்னாலஜிஸ்லாம் அதுவும் நல்லா புரிஞ்சுது. இங்கே சயின்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்லாம் ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக பண்ணோம், அதனால இன்னும் பெட்டராக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆச்சு.
I'm Charan from 7th A2. I'm studying in Roever Public School. I'm going to explain about conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is a machine which is used to transport the luggage from one place to another place. There are belt, dummy shaft, motor, battery, switches and PCB board. By turning on the switch, the battery will give the current to the PCB board and the PCB board will give the current to motor and it starts rotating. The belt will move further and the whole conveyor belt will start to move.
I am R. Niremugil. I am studying in Roever Public School from 7th A3. They helped me improve my knowledge in physics. I have done a project based on series and parallel connections.
YuviPepல வந்துட்டு நான் நிறைய கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். அவங்க வந்துட்டு எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக, எனக்கு எப்படி ஈஸியாக புரியுமோ அதை வந்துட்டு எனக்கு அப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. நான் நார்மல் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸில் படிக்கிறத விட நான் இதில் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். எனக்கு வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப எனக்கு வந்து எப்படி வந்துட்டு எங்களுக்கு புரியுமோ அந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக எங்களுக்கு புரிகிற மாதிரி நல்லா ஈஸியாக வந்துட்டு டீச் பண்ணாங்க. அவங்க நடத்துனது எல்லாமே நல்லா கிளியராக இருந்துச்சு. ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது வந்துட்டு ப்ராப்ளம் ஏதாவது வந்ததுன்னா அதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்.
Hi, this is Satya from Roever Public School. After YuviPep, actually we see that children are more excited. I'm a person who always believe in learning by doing. So after this YuviPeps, really children were more interested and more excited to attend the classes and the workshops. And whenever they were coming out of the class, I see them really happy and really they were satisfied. And their learning is really a true one. Actually, in my class, one student is there. He was actually shows very less interest towards education. Actually, especially in academics, when we are asking him something, he'll always will be showing less interest. So I could observe that when he was in the class in your YuviPep, he was more interested and he got a badge also. He showed me with a pride that he got and he just performed well in the classes. So I felt that it is something doing there. Something is happening there. So children are enjoying something there. So that's we felt.
So I have attended some of your classes along with the students. When I was in the classroom, I felt that the students who are all not involved in the classroom, as a science teacher, I felt that who are all not involving in the classroom, but they are so active in the robotics class. I have seen one of our students done a river cleaning robot. This shows their creativeness towards the robotics.
I am Jean Jacqueline, principal of Roever Public School. And we have taken YuviPep as a new project in our school in the last year. And really, if I feel that YuviPep is a wonder of our school, because all the children, whenever the faculties come from Bangalore, the children were so happy and thrilled, and they were enthusiastically join in the classes and attend the classes. Whenever, when I enter into the class, I can see their smiling face, happy face. And that is what we wanted from all the children. Always they are engaged with something or the other. The skill projects are excellent projects they are teaching. The faculty is also always smiling, patient, so much patience they have. And n number of classes also they take, and n number of questions they respond to the students. So even our teachers, of course, they learn from these teachers. They are patient, they follow up. Every time, whenever there is a class, our faculties also, they go and attend the classes. And they just follow the YuviPep faculties, how really they are attracting the students in all the levels. They help them in all the way to bring up as a new project. I feel that they are one among the family, Roever family, and they are really doing well in all the ways they are.